Welcome to Forex Rebels. Today we'll be analyzing GBP and AUD. So before we get into the video, hit the sub button below and don't forget to turn the notification bell icon because this week, as you can see, I'm dropping videos almost every day. So yeah, we've already have 3 signals that I've sent which I have not started. You can just check them out here, these videos. So make sure you check them out after this video. Okay. So now we are going to start with GBP AUD. Yeah, GBP AUD on the weekly time frame. So this is the current pattern that I'm seeing here, and as you can see, I've already analyzed it. I'm just gonna show you the touch-ups and whatever, and then you're done with it. Okay, just to save a little bit of time. So you can see you have a higher high over there. We can just say here, and if we were to draw a trend line, it's going to put it like this on the daily time frame, on the weekly time frame actually. So here you can see this, you can start it here or here, so it's up to you. But if I were to start this here, so like this, so you can see the huge gap around this area here. So I'm not going to use these two trend lines that I've drawn right now, the most useful useless actually. So I'll just go to the lower time frame around this area here, because as you can see, I have the levels that I've marked already, but as you can see, the market is playing around here. So let's see what's really going on. I'll just move to the daily time frame. Okay, as you can see, let me remove these two lines because I've already drawn the zones here. We can see between this is acted as our support level and this is our resistance level. So if I were to check this here, you can see our mid-range over here. So this is what we have. So, and you can see we are inside a triangle, and this is the first touch, second touch. We don't have a third touch here, first, second, and third. So we'll just zoom in. Okay, so this is what we have on this pattern over here. So you had a touch here, so you're anticipating move to the upper side for now, and but maybe here, or it's either going to break to the upper side, because we all know how triangles work. So let us be patient with it. Let us move to the 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to detail with everything so you don't miss anything on each and every time frame. Okay, so now we are here. We can see that the market is playing around this area here, and if I were to look closely, I can say this level here, it is respected. So I'll just mark it out as quickly as possible. Over here, it is respected as well, and this level right over here. So the reason why I am marking this level, it is because they can act as our take profits, you know. So as I've said, we are going to the upper side, and look, starting from this point here, I can see this area here pushing to the upper side. You can see a beautiful trend line to lower side. So you had first, second, third touch, and bear in mind we are here on the support level. So when you're on the support level and you have a lot of fixes like this means we'll be pushing to the upper side. So for those who take short-term trades, it is a trade for you guys. And you can see, let us cater for the upper side starting from this area here. Okay, if I were to do it like this. Okay, so if I'm using the wicks of the candlestick, this is what you have, and if I'm using the body of the candlestick, so this is what you could have. So you can see that little bit of difference, but doesn't just a little bit of difference, but it's okay. I'm just going to use the wicks because on the lower side I've already used the wicks as well. So we can see that the market we had a third touch here and we had a resistance support level here, so we could anticipate a push, and had a little bit of pin back candlestick here. So now we're anticipating push to the upper side, maybe up until here, and if we break out, you can see a retest here, a push to the upper side up until here. Maybe the moment we touch this area here, there's other trend line on the upper side. So for this one, we need to take the trade. This is how you should take the trade. You should enter here where we are at right now and push up until this area here. But it is possible for those who want to enter for a long term. So if you're not feeling comfortable with this, you could just wait for the breakout on the upper side here. But because we are on this level here, I think the moment you start a low momentum push, you're going to push up until right over there. So let us move to the 1 hour time frame to give you the signal for those who are willing to take the trade for the 1 hour time frame. So those who usually trade on 50 minutes time frame and the 4 hour time frame. It's actually the 1 hour time frame and the 50 minutes time frame. So already the market has left, but we just capitalize on it a bit because it's around here. So our risk reward is quite bad for now, but if you're looking in overall take profit, it should be here. So this is how you should take the trade. So this is how you should take the trade, and the stop loss I think is quite good over here, but I like to risk more because the market tend to hit do the stop loss hand. So I'm not trading, I'm just increasing the points. So yeah, so this is how you should trade GBP AUD. So let us move to okay. So now we are on AUD CAD. So this I just got an email. Someone saying please analyze AUD CAD for me. So you can just send me an email or comment down below which pair do you want me to analyze. Then I'll definitely do so. So this is a request from y'all guys. I'm gonna start by laying out the levels that I'm seeing, obvious levels. So I'm not trying to look hard for them, but just put it like this here. Wait, yep, there's a level right over there. There's a level right over here. I feel like every time when I'm analyzing, the market tends to play around the or this week the market is playing around most of the levels on the market. So these are the levels that I'm seeing based on this area here. I'm not trying to go to lower side because if I go to lower side, we can see this level right over here as well. So the thing is, I don't want to make my charts as messy as possible. So I'm trying to keep them as clean, guys. So yeah. Uh Remember, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell because I want uh share signals. I'm not sharing signals at all on my groups now, so I'm just giving it out to you guys for this month only. So make sure you turn the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. uh okay, so yeah, so on a daily time frame, this is what I'm saying. Okay, we could see that we had a first, second, and here the market did break out. So this is what we have. So this is our support, mid-range, resistance. Okay, so I'll just move to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, cool. So here is how the reason why I'm not catering for the upper side is because this part I'm no longer using it. So yeah. uh okay, yeah, guys, you can see that we did break out and we had a beautiful movement around this area here. So if you were to draw a trend line starting from this point over here, we'd have something like this, only this. And if we were to draw a trend line based on the lower side, we would have something like this. So which doesn't really make sense to me that much. So but if you draw something like that, you start seeing other levels that are on the lower time frames. It's quite good for you to draw some trend lines because you'll spot many things. So let me remove them for now. Okay, we spotted another line. Let me create it as a zone. This one. Okay, blue. Why am I using blue today? Okay, but it's cool though. um so look at this, guys, starting from the point over here. If I were to put it like this using the body of this, I'll be having this beautiful movement over here. But because of this week here, this candle here makes my thing not good. Okay, guys, because of this thing here, I'm not gonna use this line over here, so I'll just remove this one here. Yeah, okay, cool. So you have this beautiful pattern over here, and as you can see on the second touch we have a pin bar here. I love pin bar, guys. And here we had a beautiful starting from that point there, we had a beautiful pattern right over there. Wait, so it has already left. Oh my god. Okay, at least I'm quite early for it. You can see first, second, and here it did breakout. So it's either we're going to push to the inside again, but it doesn't seem like that because it seems like we have a retest on this level here. So we just wait for this. So for this, I'm seeing buying levels. Going to buy the moment we break this level over here. Let me change this to red. As you can, so you can see as well. So I'll just move to the 1 hour time frame. Oh my God, okay, I have to drop this as soon as possible. So we are only going to buy when we hit this level here. If not, this is a false breakout. Do you hear me, guys? This is a false breakout. Only if you're not going to break this level here, you're not going to buy. And don't place any penny orders. Just wait for the market to break this level. Then after the close, buy, because the market could just trigger your order and push to the lower side. So to be on the safer side, do as I say, because I've been in this for a while and I know what really happens. So for the buyers, so now we're anticipating the buyers. If this is not a false breakout, just put it over here, or take profit right over here. So this is how you should trade this. But if this is a false breakout, uh wait, please wait, guys. Wait for the market to hit this red line over here, to close above this red line over there. Then you can simply say you're buying. If not, done. Because as you can see here, a first, second, and this was supposed to be a third touch, but you did see a breakout. And after the retest here, the market did not, on the trend line, did not push to the upper side, or to the upper side, and now it's coming back. Maybe it's retesting this level here, or maybe it is just coming back, so we don't really know. So let me move to the 15 minutes time frame. I don't usually go to this time frame, but in this case I have to see what's really going on here, because it seems like something is going on this area here, and I don't know what it is. So like I've said, don't take the trade if it doesn't break that level there, because, and if it comes back to the inner trend line, you could just take the sellers, because it's quite obvious what's really going on. So my trading view app now is basically showing me ads, guys, and I hate this thing. So as you can see, we did break this level here on a 15 minutes time frame. We're playing around this area here and big again on this area here. So we are below this level here that has been created, but we'll see what's really going on as time goes by. So if the market comes back to its senses, we could just take the sellers the moment they're inside the trend line and go for the sellers up until over there. But if not, let us wait for the buyers right over there. But I'm anticipating buying opportunities on this one, not the sellers. But let's see what's really going on, guys. So don't forget to hit notification bell button so you don't miss any of our signal drops, because there is no time zone, you know. So yeah, that'll be all from us. FX Travels signing out.